Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will show you how to make a trello for your Roblox game. So if you want to make Roblox game and you want to make things organized and up to date, and if you have friends that are also helping you making a game in Roblox, don't worry, I know how, and you want to organize that, don't worry, I got you covered. So Trello is the best option to make everything organized and keep in update and everything. So let's get started. So first of all, I would like to tell you about that this is a very simple and easy tutorial, and so we will keep it simple here. So first of all, what we're gonna do is open our browser. So once you're in the browser, what you're gonna do is type Trello on the search bar. In here, what we're gonna do is click on the first link that pops up. So as you can see, we are in the Trello. I'm already logged in, but you can also log in or sign up if you haven't already. And you can also use your Google account to log in, as I already did it here. So first of all, what we're going to do is now create a board. So what we're going to do is now click on this create button. And what we're going to do is click on create board. And what we're going to do is name the board title to Roblox. So as you can see, now our board is created, and now you can add different cards to keep everything organized. So I will add some cards and I will show you how it look like. So here you can see I have added some cards to make everything organized. As you can see, there are general ideas and concepts, there's gameplay ideas and concepts, there's content ideas and concepts, map ideas and concepts, and there are a lot of cards I added because I want to make everything organized. So you can add everything in your card and type it here. So there you go guys, this tutorial was very easy and simple, and if you like this tutorial, please consider subscribing and giving us a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.